Hello students, welcome back to One Solution classes and I am your teacher Bitupan sir. Today we will discuss question number 5 from exercise 1.1 of real numbers. So let us first read out the question. Here Dia says use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, then 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Okay, what is the basic difference between question number 4 and 5? Question number 4 ত আমি square উলিয়াব লাগিছিলে, square of any number, and in question number 5 we need to find the cube of any number. All right, so here I guess you have already assumed that we have to find the cube. Okay, we have to calculate the cube of a certain number. So let us get started. At first আমি যেটো লিখো similar type of questions ৰ কাৰণে সদায় একেই পেটাৰ্ণত লিখিব লাগে. Let's assume A be any positive integer and B equals to 9. So মই আগতে কৈ আছিলো এই previous questions ত তোমালোকে আগৰ ভিডিঅ'বোৰ চাবা যোন এটো ভিডিঅ ফাৰ্স্ট টাইম দেখিছা যে B equals to 9 লোৱাৰ ৰিজন এটোৱে হৈছে যে কোৱেশ্চনত ইয়াত 9 দিয়া হৈছে. Question যদি 6 থাকে 6 লবা, যদি 7 থাকে 7 লবা. If you are given in the question 10, you have to consider B equals to 10. All right, so B এর ভ্যালু হেটোৱে হ'ব যেটো কোৱেশ্চনত দিয়া থাকে. Now we'll write according to Euclid's algorithm, A equals to 9q plus r. Usually A equals to bq plus r হয় according to Euclid's division lemma, কিন্তু ইয়াত b মানে 9 লৈছো, so আমি A equals to 9q plus r লিখিছো. As you know, we have to also write that where 0 less than equals to r less than 9. Okay, here 9 কি হৈছে because here b value আমি 9 লৈছো. Okay, remainder is always less than the divisor. So basically question to কি হয়, here a number is given, the number is a and we have to divide this number by 9. Okay, and whatever answer we find, we have to calculate the cube of that number and we have to express them in 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. All right, so let us resume the answer. তো আমি কি লিখিম যে therefore r can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, এতিয়ালৈকে হ'ব 9 নহয় because r is less than 9. All right, now when r equals to 0, A equals to 9q. When r equals to 1, A equals to 9q plus 1. When r equals to 2, A equals to 9q plus 2. Okay, বুজি পাইছানে? I am just replacing the value of r here. Okay, instead of r I am writing 1 0 1 2 like that. So we can use dot 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 to write the last number. If r is 8, then A will be 9q plus 8. Okay, but we are not done with the answer. Again here we have to find the cube of the numbers. Okay, আমি কাৰ cube উলিয়াব লাগিব, a এর ভ্যালু বিলাকৰ cube উলিয়াব লাগিব. The values we found for a, so we have to find the cube of these values. Okay, systematically first of all we find the cube of a equals to 9q. Now 9q whole cube, so 9q যদি whole cube উলিওৱা, the answer will be 729q cube. But again, since we have to find 9m and not q, so we have to again take out 9 as common from this number. So when we take out 9 from this number, I'll get 81q cube. Okay, you can find the answer by dividing 729 also. তোমালোকে নিজে কৰি চাব পৰা সাইজত ৰাফ ওয়ার্ক হিচাপে ইউজ কৰিব কাৰণে. So 9 ৰে তুমি যদি 729 ক ডিভাইড কৰা, 9 8 ja 72, 9 will come down 9 1 ja 9 so 81 hobo. So now since we have to find 9m so a 9 to thakile aru yak ami will consider this will assume this as m so I'll write 9m but again we have to mention that where m equals to 81q cube okay so first value jetu uliabo lage ami 9m I found it next ami car cube uliam etia second number ki chile 9q plus 1 correct yar cube uliam etia ami 9q plus 1 or cube uliabo jaunte whether we can directly find the cube or we have to use the identity yes we have to use the identity okay yar identity to ki hobo ami class 9 at pai aisilu remember the cube of x plus y so that identity we have to use here x plus y whole cube equals to x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube okay so etia ami jodi he mote follow koru tente ami at first likhim 9q whole cube plus 3 into 9q whole square into 1 plus 3 into 9q into 1 square plus 1 cube. So let us simplify this 9q cube is 729q cube heto ami already compaisu plus 3 into 9 square is 81q square into 1 likhar amala orthon thake ko 1 is 1 okay 3 into 9q is 27q plus 1 cube is 1 next simplifying one more step 729q cube plus this will be 243q square okay after multiplying 3 into 81 I found 243 plus 27q plus 1 now please pay attention here that we have found 1 already okay that means we have to only convert this number as 9m so let us take out 9 as common from the first three numbers so if I take out 9 as common from the first number only 81q cube will remain from the second number 27q square will remain and from the third number 3q will remain okay plus 1 to already bahir ase now if I assume this whole thing as m then we can write 9m plus 1 but we have to mention that where m equals to 81q cube plus 27q square plus 3q aru etu hoy gol ma second answer to eta ami lastly ami koribo laibo third and the cube of third number the third number is 9q plus 2 all right so 9q plus 2 jodi cube koru again following the identity of x plus y whole cube at first I will find the cube of the first term then I will write 3 into square of the first term and then into second term plus 3 into first term and then square of the second term and lastly square of the second term sorry cube of the second term now cube of 9 cube is again 729q cube plus this will be 6 into 81q square because 3 into 2 6 hoy or 9 or square 81 hoy 3 into 9q into 2 square that means 3 into 4 about 12 so 12 into 9q plus 2 cube is 8 okay remember ami ki ulebole chile last number to 9m plus 8 ulebole lage we already found 8 now okay that means ekita number simplify kori tar par ami 9 ta common ulele hoy jabo okay so let's continue so ami korim ki ebar 9 common lom tar agote ebar simplify kori lo 729q cube plus this will be 486q square plus it is 108q plus 8 so now if I take out 9 as common at first here 81q cube thaki jabo next number to 54q square thaki jabo aru yet thakibo 12q because 9 er je divide koru ei tinta number ok ebur থাকি যায় ওকে এতিয়া ইয়াত 8 অলৰেডি আছে তো if I somehow assume all these three numbers as to be m তেতিয়া আমি কি পাই যাম আমি আমাৰ ডিজায়াৰ যোনটো এনসাৰ 9m + 8 আছিল হয় নহয় তে 9m + 8 আমি পাই যাম ওকে সো এতিয়া আমি কি কৰিম এই তিনটা নম্বৰক আমি m বুলি ধৰি লম if we assume these numbers as m তেতিয়া আমাৰ ডিজায়াৰ্ড এনসাৰটো পাই যাম সো 9 instead of all these three terms I will write m + 8 but এটো আমি লিখিব লাগিব যে where m equals to 81 q cube plus 54 q square plus 12 cube so আমি এটা দেখিলো যে আমি তিনটা এনসার পাই গলো আমি 9m পালো আমি 9m + 1 পালো আমি 9m + 8 পাই গলো ওকে আৰু কেনেকৈ পাইছিলো 9q ৰ কিউব কৰিলো দেন 9q + 1 ৰ কিউব কৰিলো and last 9q + 2 ৰ কিউব কৰিলো so if we already found the answers then we will not go for finding cube of 9q + 3 okay আমি সিহঁতৰ কিউব উলিয়াব নাযাওঁ alright so আমাৰ এনসাৰটো ইয়াতে শেষ হৈ যাব তো আমি লাষ্টৰ এটা লাইন লিখিব লাগিব and what will be that line the line is that therefore cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m + 1, 9m + 8. So that is the answer for question number 5, students. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.